Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Riley Byrne from FixPectus.com. When I was a kid, the rib flare actually used to upset me more than the sunken chest. And now it's not a thing for me anymore. Now I don't even think about rib flare or my sunken chest. Now, this isn't due to me changing my bone structure. Like, I never got surgery or did bracing or anything like that. What I attribute this to is building muscle, really. That's the main core thing, as well as changing my posture and the way I hold myself. But building muscle and getting a lean muscular physique has been what's made me overcome my rib flare and my sunken chest, okay? And so one of the key muscles for improving your rib flare and your sunken chest is your abs and your obliques, okay? And so I'm gonna run you through a 5-minute ab workout that you can do at home with me live. I'm about to do it right now. I'm about to train my abs. Abs is one of those muscles, like 5 minutes, if you hit it hard, you'll get a great workout in. So that's all it's gonna take is 5 minutes. Your abs are gonna be super pumped and your obliques, okay, which is also a really key thing when it comes to the rib flare. You do this kind of workout all the time, you know, for my clients, I program it almost daily. You're gonna see your ab muscles grow and develop and get stronger, and then your rib flare is gonna be less noticeable and your sunken chest. Obviously, you wanna develop other muscles too and work on your posture, but definitely developing the abs is one key thing, and it's workouts like this that are gonna get you that result. Alrighty, so the way this is gonna work is it's gonna be 30 seconds of effort per exercise, and we're gonna do 4 exercises. So that'll be 30 seconds for exercise 1, 30 seconds for exercise 2, no rest, so 2 minutes of continuous work. Then we're gonna rest a minute and do the same, okay? So then we're gonna do 2 more minutes of continuous work with 4 new exercises, 30 seconds on each. So it'll be 8 exercises in total, 30 seconds of work for each one round through, and that'll be 5 minutes, 2 minutes on, 1 minute off, 2 minutes on. Your abs will be screaming, okay? And my abs are gonna be screaming. So let's do it. It's gonna be fun. I'll start the timer now. All right, we're starting this with 30 seconds of a flutter kick. So with the flutter kick, you wanna keep your toes pointed down, just nice, small, controlled kicks, arms by your side, keep your back off the floor, so the only contact point will be your butt, feet off the floor, back off the floor. 30 seconds. Try and breathe. It's gonna be hard for me to talk my whole way through this, so bear with me. All right, that's 30 seconds. Now we're doing 30 seconds alternating V-ups. Again, trying to keep everything off the floor and the only contact point. Oh, 30 seconds. All right, now we're going to do side plank hip dips to one side. Like, my core is already burning after that 1 minute. So with these, we're holding a nice side plank, dipping our hip to the floor and coming back up. Now obviously with this 30 seconds continuous, your transitions need to be quick because that's cutting into your time. Okay. So you did 30 seconds one side, 30 seconds the other. So with this, we're really trying to hit our oblique. Okay. Trying to feel that oblique working. 5 more seconds. Time. All right, needed 1 minute's rest after that. All right, that's a needed 1 minute's rest after that. That's pretty brutal. Okay, so we get this 1 minute and then we do the same thing, new exercises though. So it's gonna be bicycle crunch, leg liftovers, dead bugs, and Russian twists, okay? Doesn't matter how much I've trained abs, this is still killing me. So for you guys, this might be a bit advanced. Go at your own pace, modify them if you need to, stop for a second if you need to, you know, try and get through it, but go at your own pace, okay? Either way, if it's hurting, you're working, right? You're gonna be getting progression. 5 seconds. Woo! All right, and we're gonna do bicycle crunches. This is great for hitting the upper abs. The upper abs, when they're developed, is key for helping master the sunken chest. Whew. All right, dead bug. This is a dead bug. We want to keep nice and control, opposite arm and opposite leg going down. Leg liftovers. So for this, we're going to get a kettlebell. That took me 7 seconds. Try and keep your torso upright. Get those legs up and over. Oh, brutal. That's brutal on the obliques. All right, now to finish the obliques off, do some Russian twists for 30 seconds. Last movement. You can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Oh. That hurt. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, now, was that not the most fun 5 minutes you ever had in your life? That burn, that was a little bit harder than I even thought it was going to be. But that's what happens when you continuously work, and that's really a great way to train your abs, is just like go, 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 go. Lots of reps, minimal rest, makes it so efficient. You'll burn them out and develop them to get strong. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. As you can see, there was a lot of oblique movements. We had alternating V-ups, the side planks, the bicycle crunches, the leg liftovers, and the Russian twists, and the dead bugs because of single legs. The only thing that wasn't really is the flutter kicks. Other than that, it was a lot of obliques. Obviously your whole abs are going to be getting worked, and your core, but it was a lot of obliques, which is a big focus for me when it comes to my clients for Pectus. So thanks, guys. I hope you liked it. Whew.